that's kind of how I'm feeling like, just to feel like leaving it just rolling, but I hate videos without commentary. I think I've said that before, but it bears repeating. It's worth repeating. Alright, so I got my little, So I got my little money thingy. Hold on. Alright, I got my little money thingy. Alright, I can't balance all this thing, so I'm gonna... Oh boy, I wish I was wearing my dark gray pants. Oh, I'm wearing my coat! Yay, good. Alright, hold on. Anyway. Yeah, wonderful. I've got a 5,000 in here somewhere. Because I know I don't have a 1K thingy. Everyone always bugs you for the 1. As a matter of fact, with the change with the hostel, they didn't have any change to give me the 3K. So they said they'd pay me later. They ended up giving me 4K, and I still don't have a 1K, and then I said I'd pay them later. They said it was all right, but yeah, I intend, if I ever get a 1K, yeah, they got dibs. So I know I have a 5 in here, but damn it, I'll go for the 6 if it comes to that. All right, but I know I've got a 5. Please tell me I didn't blow the 5 on something. I'm gonna pay 6 for this shit. All right. No, I did not organize, okay? Leave me alone. I haven't had my damn coffee. Alright, I don't know where the hell the 5 is. There's my 5. I got it. God damn it if I don't get it. Oh, I swore. Oh well. I haven't had my coffee. Leave me alone. I know I swear, but I mean it then. That one slipped out. He was doing sit-ups, by the way, and very well. Oh, damn it, now he's going for push-ups. Damn, these people are gonna freaking conquer the world if they can help it. Be nice to be able to witness that if I can get a freaking job. See, you got another exercise group over there. And another one over there. Where are we? Another one over there. Okay, but back to the important stuff. Okay, I gotta, what do I have? Okay, see? Oh my god. Okay. And 5,000 for the water. This is the cheapest you're gonna find soda in this town too. You never see soda for 10. And where are those instructions? See, look at this, number 1, select item. Number 2, insert cash 1 by 1. 3, collect item. In the blue area, here we go. Vending machine does not return excess money. So, yeah. Okay, anyway. I got my 5. Alright. It's crinkled up. Let me straighten this thing out. Hold on. I don't know. Watch it not take it. It's very old and dilapidated. What do you want? High demand, I suppose. Especially with these vending machines. Okay, it says insert cash Do not fold. Please choose the item. All right. What item do I want to choose? Okay, I don't want a high drop. So the lowest I can get is either the 11 or 20 or whatever, that row. All right, so we'll... all right, well, whatever. Maybe a middle would be more photogenic. Who the hell with that? Okay, the one that's not going to get caught in the damn hoop, because I'm going to go insane if the damn thing gets caught in the damn hoop. Crazy old Cuban lady without any freaking coffee destroying a damn vending machine. Security. Okay, I don't know. Alright. Well, that looks like it's not gonna... Well, that looks close enough. Alright, we'll do the 19. It looks like it's near the edge, because holy crap if this thing gets caught. I'm gonna call it justifiable. I'm gonna call it justifiable. How the hell do you put that shit in there? Where's... Oh, okay. Alright, I think I found it. Okay, here we go. There goes my bag. Is it? Oh, there goes the damn... Hold on. This crazy Cuban lady is throwing money around now. Alright, this thing doesn't want to grab mine. This thing don't want to grab my thingy. Okay, I put it in the wrong place now. Alright, it's down there. How do I balance this thing? Oh, okay, I'm going to have to put you down because there's no way I'm getting this... Hold on. Okay, this thing still ain't taking the damn thing. Alright. Hold on. I hear it making noise. Oh, there it goes. Thank God a local came because he knew there was going to be an international incident. No, he's got... Too old. He's saying the thing... Oh, God bless him. Sir, if you're a religious man, may God bless you.
Lâu.
This is... Oh, I think he is just told me... Do you believe it? I didn't pick the item. Hold on. Okay, he's putting his thing. And there it goes. Holy crud. Thank you, sir. And there is some wonderful locals keeping the world safe for decency. Thank you. Hold on, I know how to say that. Oh no, I don't. Yes, I do. Kamung. Thank you. Okay. I have so much gratitude at the moment, it's just overflowing. Look at that. A wonderful local came and rescued a crazy old Cuban lady. Yes, indeed. Keeping the world safe for decency. Glory, hallelujah. Wow. And that was my vending machine. That was my vending machine adventure. Now I have to go and make my coffee and have a nervous breakdown. Okay. Talk to you later.